Straight Lines Part 9.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. A variable straight line drawn through the point of intersection of two straight lines. So, see here, this is the coordinate axis. Okay. So, required straight line passing through the point of intersection of two lines and meet the coordinate axis at A and B. Suppose this is the required straight line. This straight line passing through the point of intersection of two lines. Okay. So, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Suppose that is some P. Okay. And it meets the coordinate axis A and B. So that required straight line meets the coordinate axis at A and B. Suppose A is some P comma 0 and B is 0 comma Q. So then the locus of midpoint of AB is this one. Suppose Q x1 comma y1 is the locus of the midpoint of AB. So see here, given lines x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 and x by b plus y by a equals to 1. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So I am writing directly. You get point P AB by A plus B comma AB by A plus B. Okay. So this is the point of intersection of equation 1 and equation 2. Here required straight line passing through the point of intersection of two lines. So see here. So let required line meet the axis at A P comma 0 and B 0 comma Q. So then the equation is x by P plus y by Q is equals to 1. So because of x intercept is P and y intercept is Q. So that's why I am writing intercept form is x by P plus y by Q is equals to 1. Here Q is the locus of the midpoint of AB. So here let Q x1 comma y1 be the locus of midpoint of AB. Okay. So therefore x1 comma y1 is equals to midpoint of AB, that is x1 plus x2 by 2. P plus 0 by 2, it is P by 2, next Q plus 0 by 2 is Q by 2. So equating these two, so what you get? So P is equal to 2x1 and Q is equal to 2y1. Okay. So this is equation 3. So substitute P comma Q in equation 3. So see here equation 3 implies x by 2x1 plus y by 2y1 is equal to 1. So but it passing through the point of intersection of 1 and 2. So see here it through P AB by A plus B comma AB by A plus B. So substitute here what you get? AB by 2 times of A plus B into x1, next plus AB by 2 times of A plus B into y1 is equals to 1. Okay. So clearly what you get? So what is the LCM? 2 times of A plus B into x1 y1. So what is the numerator? AB y1 plus AB x1 is equals to 1. So this is AB of x1 plus y1 is equals to 2 times of A plus B into x1 y1. So this is the required locus of midpoint of AB. Okay. So see the second one. A straight line with slope 1 passes through the point Q minus 3 comma 5. Okay. So this is the x-axis. So here this is the straight line. This straight line having the slope 1 means this line makes an angle 45 degrees with the x-axis, and this line passing through the point Q minus 3 comma 5 and meet the straight line. See here. So meet the straight line x plus y minus 6 equals to 0 at P. So you need to find PQ distance, that is R. So clearly here we have to use parametric form. Okay. So here given m is equals to 1, that is tan theta is equals to tan 45. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. And point Q minus 3 comma 5. This is x1, y1. And line x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So you know that x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Okay. So clearly what is x1? Minus 3 plus r cos 45. So this is minus 3 plus r by root 2. So this is x. And y is equal to y1, that is 5 plus r sin 45. So you know that sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. So y is equal to 5 plus r by root 2. So what is this point? So see here. So clearly that is px comma 5. So clear this is px comma y. So therefore px comma y. So see here, this point lies on which line? This line only, no? So clear that line is what? X plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So px comma y lies on x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So substitute here x comma y, what you get? X value minus 3 plus r by root 2 plus y value plus 5 plus r by root 2 minus 6 equals to 0. So see here, this is 5 minus 9. So clearly 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 6, minus 4 plus 2r by root 2 is equals to 0. See here, 2r by root 2 is equals to 4, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Therefore r is equals to what? 2 root 2. So clearly r is the distance between PQ. So therefore the distance between PQ is what? 2 root 2 units. Okay. So this is the required distance. So now we will discuss few 2 marks problems. So here first one, find the area of the triangle formed by the lines the coordinate axis. So here given line x minus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So here we know that the area of triangle formed by line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and a coordinate axis is what? C square by 2 into mod AB. Okay. So clearly A is equals to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equals to 2. Substitute here, what you get? C square, that is 2 square by 2 into mod AB, 1 into minus 4. So minus 4. So clear this is 1 by 2 square units. So this is the required area. So see the second solution. Given lines are concurrent, then find the value of P. So see here given lines x plus p is equal to 0, y plus 2 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Okay. Then clearly determined value is 0. So therefore then, so write the coefficient of x, coefficient of y constant. Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y, there is no y coefficient, so write 0 and constant p. Next, there is no x coefficient, so write 0, y coefficient 1, constant 2. Next, 3, 2, 5 is equal to 0. So find this determinant. So what you get? 1 into 5 minus 4, that is 1, minus 0 plus p into 0 minus 3, that is minus 3 is equal to 0. So clear, this is 1 minus 3p is equal to 0. So 3p is equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the value of p. So next to try to solve third question. So clear, this is similar to second question. So here also we have to use determinant value is 0. Okay. So then you will get the value of p. So next to see the fourth solution. So transform the given equation into the form L1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Find the point of concurrency of family of straight lines. So see here given 2 plus 5kx minus 3 into 1 plus 2ky plus 2 minus k is equal to 0. So see here this is 2x, so write first this one and here this one minus 3y plus 2. Next plus k is common, what you get? So 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. So clear it in the form of L1 plus k, L2 is equal to 0. This is L1 line, this is L2 line. So L1 is 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. And what is L2 line? 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2. So what you get? See here x, y constant. Start from middle value and write horizontally. Minus 3 to 2 minus 3. And second one minus 6 minus 1, 5 minus 6. So this is x by 3 plus 12, that is 15, and y by 10 plus 2, 12, and constant by minus 12 plus 15, that is 3. So equating these two and these two. Now clearly x is equal to what? 3 5 and y is equal to what? 3 4. Therefore point of concurrency is what? 5 comma 4. Okay. So and see the fifth solution. Given that a, b, c are in AP. So right here given a comma b and c are in AP. So what is that condition? 2b is equal to a plus c. So then show that ax plus by plus c equals to represents a family of concurrent lines and find point of concurrency. And line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So from this c value is what? 2b minus a. Substitute here. So ax plus by plus c value 2b minus a is equals to 0. So from first and last a is common, you will get x minus 1. From second and third b is common, you will get y plus 2 is equals to 0. So clearly it is in the form of al1 plus bl2 equals to 0. So it represents a family of concurrent lines. So clearly L1 is equals to what? X minus 1 is equals to 0 and L2 is what? Y plus 2 equals to 0. So from this x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. So therefore required point of concurrence is what? 1 comma minus 2. So therefore point of concurrency is 1 comma minus 2. So see the sixth solution. So find the ratio in which the straight line divides the join of the points. So see here, you know that this is line segment AB. If any straight line L divide the line segment AB in the ratio minus L11 is to L22. So see here, given line 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0 and points A 0 comma 0, B minus 2 comma 1. Here L11 means A lies on the line, L22 means B lies on the line. So see here, therefore you know that the line L, this is L, divides AB line segment in the ratio minus L11 is to L22. So L11 means A lies on the line. So here minus of, substitute here 0 plus 0 minus 5 is to L22 means B lies on the line. That is 2 into minus 2 plus 3 minus 5. So clear, this is 5 east. So minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. So clearly required ratio is minus 5 is to 6. So try to solve 7th question. So this is similar to 6th one. So here also we have to use this ratio, that is minus L11 is to L22. And 8th one, find the area of the triangle formed by the straight line with the coordinate axis. Okay. So clearly we have to use the formula c square by 2 into mod AB. Okay. So for next session we will discuss more concept.